What is a galaxy? Galaxy is a huge system made up of stars, nebulae, gas, dust, and interstellar material, all held together by gravity. Galaxies vary greatly in size. The smallest galaxies contain about 100,000 stars, while the largest may contain up to 3,000 billion stars. Galaxies are classified mainly according to their shape. There are three main types of galaxies: elliptical, spiral, and irregular. Elliptical galaxies have an oval or round shape and contain relatively little gas and dust. Spiral galaxies have a central bulge with spiral arms extending outward. Some spirals have a bar-shaped bulge and are called barred spiral galaxies. Irregular galaxies have no definite shape. Sometimes the shape of a galaxy can be distorted due to collisions with other galaxies. Such interactions can change the structure of galaxies over time. Where did the name galaxy came from? The word galaxy comes from ancient Greek. The Greek word galaxias means milky. It comes from gala meaning milk. Ancient Greeks used the term galaxias kyklos, milky circle, to describe the faint white band of light stretching across the night sky, which we now know as the Milky Way. Mythological origin. In Greek mythology, the Milky Way was said to have formed when Hera's breast milk spilled across the sky while she was nursing the infant Hercules. Because of this story, the sky band was associated with milk, reinforcing the name. How it became modern usage. Latin adopted the term as galaxia. It later entered Old French and English. Over time, galaxy came to mean not just the Milky Way, but any massive system of stars, gas, and dust. So the name galaxy literally traces back to the idea of a milky-looking band in the sky, a poetic description that stuck for thousands of years. Quasars. Quasars are extremely compact and highly luminous objects believed to be the active nuclei of distant galaxies. They are among the most distant objects in the universe. The furthest ordinary galaxies are about 12 billion light-years away, while the furthest known quasars are about 13 billion light-years away. Galaxies are extremely large. The largest galaxies are more than 1 million light-years across, while the smallest dwarf galaxies are only a few thousand light-years wide. For example, the Andromeda Galaxy is about 220,000 light-years from side to side. Some galaxies are known as active galaxies, such as Seyfert galaxies and radio galaxies, which emit large amounts of radiation. In Seyfert galaxies, the radiation comes mainly from the galactic nucleus, while in radio galaxies, it also comes from large lobes on either side of the galaxy. This intense radiation is thought to be caused by matter falling into massive central black holes. Orbiting stars. Galaxies do not behave like solid objects. Each star orbits the center of the galaxy. In spiral galaxies, stars usually take hundreds of millions of years to complete one orbit. Stars farther from the center take longer than those near the core. Spiral arms. Stars are found throughout the disk of a spiral galaxy. The spiral arms appear bright because they contain many young, hot, and luminous stars. Core of a galaxy. The core of a spiral galaxy usually contains old red and yellow stars and a supermassive black hole at its center. The black hole in the Andromeda Galaxy is about 30 million times the mass of the Sun. Dust lanes. Dense clouds and lanes of dust within a galaxy's disk can block light and hide stars from view. Dwarf galaxies. Dwarf galaxies are small galaxies that often orbit larger galaxies. For example, M110 is a dwarf elliptical galaxy that orbits the Andromeda Galaxy due to its gravity. How many galaxies are there in the universe? Even astronomers don't know the exact number of galaxies, but they have a well-supported estimate. There are hundreds of billions to about 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Why the number is doubtful. We can only observe part of the universe, the observable universe, limited by the speed of light and the age of the universe, 13.8 billion years. Even within that region, many galaxies are very small, faint, or far away. Some are hidden by dust or are too dim for current telescopes to detect directly. New, better telescopes keep revealing previously unseen galaxies. So the count changes as technology improves. How scientists estimate the number. Astronomers use a multi-step process. 1. Deep field images. Telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, stare at tiny dark patches of sky for a long time. 2. Count galaxies in that small area. Even a pin-sized patch can contain thousands of galaxies. 3. Scale up. They multiply that number by the total area of the sky to estimate how many galaxies exist overall. 4. Correct for hidden galaxies. Mathematical models add galaxies that are too faint or distant to see. Using this method, a major study concluded there could be up to 2 trillion galaxies, many of them small dwarf galaxies. Important clarification. 2 trillion galaxies equals 2 trillion stars. Each galaxy can contain millions to trillions of stars. That means the universe contains an unimaginably large number of stars. In summary, exact number, unknown. Best estimate, hundreds of billions to 2 trillion galaxies. Reason for uncertainty, limits of observation and ever-improving technology. Common shapes of galaxies. Galaxies are commonly classified by their shape and structure. The main types are 1. Spiral galaxies. Appearance: flat, rotating disks with spiral arms. Features: central bulge, spiral arms, lots of gas and dust. Star formation: active, many young stars. Subtypes: normal spirals, arms start directly from the core. Barred spirals, arms extend from a central bar. Example: Milky Way, a barred spiral. 2. Elliptical galaxies. Appearance: smooth, oval or spherical. Features: little gas or dust. Star formation: very low, mostly old stars. Shapes range from nearly spherical, highly elongated. 3. Lenticular galaxies. Appearance: disc-shaped but no visible spiral arms. Features: central bulge and disk, little gas or dust. Star formation minimal. They are a transition type between spirals and ellipticals. 4. Irregular galaxies. Appearance: no definite shape. Features: rich in gas and dust. Star formation: often active. Causes: gravitational interactions, collisions with other galaxies. I believe you have understood everything that I explained in this video. In my next video, we will learn more about the universe. If you have any doubts, or if you want to know more about anything, please comment in the comment box below this video. With your support, I will be able to upload more videos in the future. In the next video, we can discuss about the Sun and Earth. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more contents like this.